Welcome guys. Um in today's video we're talking about all the activity that's going on in this exact moment. There we go. So guys, we're just doing all the activity that is going on in this world inside the Atlantic wide. The Atlantic wide. Do not do this. Do not do this. Also, if you that's an advertisement, so don't go there. You might get scammed. They might get your information. All right, so right here, they're watching this right now. It's like a tropical. It might form to a tropical storm, but these these are like warnings here. This one's just like 70 or negative 70 or come on. All right, so this one's a little this one's at like the Central America here. So on top here, like where Maine is, New Hampshire and Massachusetts, it's like the remnants of Dorian. If you want to see that, I'll put a link to this one right here in the description below. And yeah, we're just doing like all the like warnings. So there's this little spot right here. It's not much of a problem. In this area, you like down here, you guys, you might like get a little free. It might get chilling or chilling, whatever you want to prefer it. You guys will get like warm weather down here. Us is like a little bit cold-ish. You might get chilly, like a little bit chilly, like in the upper levels. And you don't want to be near Dorian. This one prepare yourselves right over here and here, over here. You gotta prepare yourselves, and up here if you live up there. So like in the Florida section and the Texas, it might get chill. I get it. Up here you might get a little bit nicer weather, but a little bit cloudy as well. And yeah, so this will be in true color. Alright, so wind activity. So you guys might get and you guys will get like a little bit of nighttime. It's just between nighttime, yeah, and Texas, like everything will be calm here. This is just an update to the weather here, and there might be. So guys, we will get a new person to join the team. I cannot tell you who it is, but you might recognize like a little bit different voice because it's just not me, it's someone else. That it is my friend. So you guys will meet that person. Alright, so there's gonna be some cloudy sections here and cloudy sections here, but it's gonna be nighttime. So you guys might be in bed here because it's nighttime. Whoa, just kidding. There's gonna be some wind activity up here, like all of like the wind activity up here because of Dorian. or the remnants of Dorian. You might get some winds here in like the upper United States of America sections here, and below here, over here, there's some wind activities here, and yeah, that might be the wrap up for today. Now, see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you will never miss an upload. And yeah, and follow me on Facebook, which is Steve Bobby. And yeah, alright, see you guys tomorrow. Alright, and peace out.